Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss division programming in Spring Boot. In Spring Boot, how to implement division programming. We can discuss that one today. First, you can create a Spring Boot application. Here we can check here. Here sometimes is available. Here is not available. Go to others directly. Can select you can check here Springboard here you can check Springboard starter project. Click here. Here we need to change division. Same way division or group name same. Everything is same. Can change to here division project in Springboard. Click next. Lambok expression and Springboard. Sorry, with Spring Web. Click next. Click finish. Now Springboard application is loading. Yeah, and Springboard application is created. Now you can create the model class. First, you go right click here, go to class division seven division. Here you need to write model. Click finish. Here we can write private string, first value, private string, second value, private string, result. The three variables I created. I will write the Lambok expressions. That's why I no need to write getter setter methods. Getter setter constructor methods are no argument constructor, all argument constructors. Now all setter getter methods also completed. Now we can create service layers. We can create service layers. Right click here, go to new class. You need to write service. Yes, division service. Finish this one. No division service. Sorry, this is the interface. This is not class interface. Here we need to write private division. Need to division. Division data type is a division. Division to variables. Division division. We created one off-stack method. Created one off-stack method. This is a public. We need to write public. That means this off-stack method. That's why I need to write public. Here we need to create one more class. That is the implementation class. Implement class. Need to implement this one. Division service. We need to implement the method. Here we need to write the service annotation for this is for service identification for the service. Here we can write int first value is equal to integer dot parseInt division dot get first value will similarly second value integer dot parseInt division dot get second value. Now we need to write double the result is equal to 0. We put 0.0 decimal value. That's why if first value greater than second value means res is equal to first value modulo of second value. Else res result is equal to second value divided by first value. Now we need to return this one. New division. Division. We need to select all constructors here. Division dot get first value. Division dot get second value. Here we need to write result string dot value of res result. Now service class is completed. Now we are reading this one, we are converting and we are dividing the value and we can return the value. You can same object, you can return the value. Now we can write the service where is completed. We need to write the control class of this one. That's why you can write control class. Right click here, go to create controller, DAVS division controller, division controller. Here you need to write controller module, that means package. You need to write controller module, division controller. Click finish. At request mapping, before we need to write REST controller. This is a REST controller. That's why we are writing this one. Division dot API. Auto-while, we need to write auto-while. That means we can inject the private division service. Service injected this one. At post method, we need to write post method. Set post mapping. Here we need to write division. A7 division. Here no need this one. No division. You need to write the method. Public response entity. You need to write directly response entity. Response entity. Here write division. Division. Here you need to write the division. Division to variable. Division to variable. Here we can write where at request body. At request body division. Division. And we need to return RETUR and return new response entity. It type division. Here we can pass the service. The service dot division. We need to call this one. We can pass this one. Here we need to HTTPS status dot created. Now all are completed. Now I am returning this. See here, this is a post mapping. This is automated. That means we are injecting services. Here we are request mapping and REST controller. This is a REST controller service. That's why I am returning request mapping starting of the application. Auto-while postman here returning the response entity. In this one module, we are returning modules entity. This is response module reading from input. This is this one. Now created everything. Now once you can refresh everything, then you can start the server. We can check any servers is started or not. No servers is started. Okay. Here also we can check in console any servers is running. No servers is running. Okay. Now you can run as Spring Boot application. You can check any errors are giving or application successfully deployed. We can check this one. We can maximize this one. Root, yeah, server is started successfully. Now we can run this one. We can copy this division. We can go here. We'll write instead of multiple, I will change to Division here also I will change to division. Will change to division. I will pass same value, first value, second value, I will pass same thing. Then check what is the output of this one. Then get any error or successful response. Yeah, getting successful response. First value, second value. I will give any other 23. I will give here 4. You can check what is the output of this one. What is the exact output? 2340. Here is showing 40. Now we can check 4. Now we can check. Yeah, 4, 5.0. Like this division programming implemented in Spring Boot application. This way we can implement Spring division programming in Spring Boot application. If you need more information about Java, web application development, Android application development, PHP, Python, this type of languages, if you need any information, could you please comment at below commented box. Thank you for watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I'm requesting, could you please subscribe my channel and support. We will meet next week.